Hi, let's discuss about how cells become different. Question: do all the cells in your body divide? No, actually most of the cells in your body do not divide. They're in a state called G0. So you know about the cell cycle, right? G1, S, G2, and mitosis. Well, there's a phase called G0, and it's for non-dividing cells. It's a non-dividing state. And usually differentiated cells go into G0. So then which cells divide? And of course the answer is stem cells are the ones that usually divide. There are three main types of cells in the human body. There are somatic cells, which are differentiated cells. And when I say differentiated cells, that means they're performing a certain function, like a heart cell pumps blood. A stem cell's second type, and they're undifferentiated. And what that means is they can become other type of cells. So a stem cell can become a muscle cell. They're sex cells, and they're also called gametes, right? Sperm and egg. So a differentiated cell has its own specialized function. So usually what happens is we start off with a stem cell, and stem cells can make more stem cells. But when the stem cell divides, it could also make an intermediate, and that intermediate can then go make differentiated cells. So how does that intermediate make a differentiated cell? Well, they got to turn on certain genes. And when those are turned on and all the other genes are turned off, that's when the cell becomes different. It becomes differentiated. It has a specialized function. So how do you make a muscle cell? Well, you turn on the muscle genes and you turn all the other genes off. How do you make a brain cell? So you turn on the brain genes and you turn all the other genes off. How do you make an intestinal cell? Like in our small intestines, you turn the intestinal genes on, we turn all the other genes off. Heart cells the same. Turn the heart genes on, turn the other ones off. And when I say you turn the other genes off, you're turning off the genes to make brain cells, to make liver cells. You start naming off all these other different types of cells in your body. Those genes are all turned off. Only the heart genes will be turned on to make a heart cell. I sure hope this helps. Thanks for listening.